Welcome to our educational channel. In today's video, we will explore the distinctions between teaching and training, and also shed light on their unique characteristics. Let's dive in. Teaching and training are two terms often used interchangeably, but they represent different approaches to learning and skill development. Teaching is a broader concept that encompasses various aspects of knowledge transmission and intellectual enrichment. It is primarily concerned with imparting new knowledge, fostering critical thinking, and expanding the mind of learners. Teaching tends to focus on theoretical concepts and understanding the underlying principles of a subject. On the other hand, training is a more specific and practical concept. It involves targeted instruction and practice aimed at developing specific skills or competencies. Unlike teaching, training emphasizes the application of already known knowledge to improve performance in a particular area. It focuses on molding habits, refining techniques, and achieving desired outcomes. While teaching is primarily concerned with stimulating thought and fostering intellectual growth, training is centered around actions and practical application. Teaching aims to enrich the mind, while training aims to enhance performance and proficiency. In a classroom setting, a teacher imparts knowledge through lectures, discussions, and interactive activities. The focus is on understanding concepts, analyzing information, and engaging in critical thinking. Conversely, in a training environment, instructors employ hands-on exercises, simulations, and real-world scenarios to facilitate skill development. The emphasis is on practice, repetition, and the acquisition of specific abilities. It's important to recognize that both teaching and training have their place in education and skill enhancement. They complement each other, and depending on the context and learning objectives, a combination of both approaches may be beneficial. So, whether you are seeking to expand your knowledge or acquire practical skills, understanding the distinction between teaching and training can help you make informed decisions about your learning journey. We have explored the differences between teaching and training, recognizing teaching's broader scope and theoretical nature, as well as training's specific focus and practical orientation. Remember, both teaching and training play vital roles in our personal and professional development. Embrace the opportunities for intellectual growth and skill enhancement that come your way, and make the most of both teaching and training experiences. If you found this video informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more educational topics with you in the future.